It was a fairly volatile session on the last street this Friday, with the Nifty giving up all of the solid gains that it saw at the start of the session. So we did reclaim that 24,600 mark, but gave up all of those gains to end the day on a flattish note. The mid cap index also gave up all of its gains and ended the day in the negative territory. But if you look at the weekly action, the last street saw a third straight week of gains, with the Nifty gaining somewhere around 1.5% for the week. The mid cap index also ending in the positive zone for the week. Sectorally, metals were among the big laggards, 0.5% cut there. On the flip side, realty was among the top performers, 2.5% gain for the Nifty Realty Pack. If you look at the individual movers, then Reliance Industries clocked in a 10% gain for the week, its best weekly performance in the last 5 years. Aside of that, we had Adani Ports. That stock was also up 6% for the week. On the flip side, Shriram Finance, big laggard, 7.5% down for the week. You also had JSW Steel, some bit of negative news flow. The Supreme Court has scrapped its Bhushan Power resolution and ordered liquidation. That stock was down almost 6% in Friday's session, and for the entire week as well, it was down somewhere around 6% or so. Among the top laggards. If you look at the mid cap movers for the week, defense stocks were active and rallying in trade for the entire week amid all the tensions between India and Pakistan. So you had Paras Defense, that stock rallied in excess of 28.5%, almost 29% gains coming in there. On the other side, you had Sonata Software, that stock also rallied somewhere around 25% for the week. That was all about the market action for the week. Of course, stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.